Hello and welcome to Base Plate Reviews. Now this is a set that I've been really looking forward to review because I feel that City is the quintessential LEGO theme, even ahead of Space and Pirates and Castle. I think that City is something that everyone can get a handle on, and you do get sets like this which aren't even that much to do with the city. And that is 60512 Mountain Bike Adventure Van, 260 pieces, $20 US, €20, 18 British pounds and 28 Canadian dollars. Not great on the conversion rate for the UK there. I picked it up in Canada and I actually got this on 1st of June or around then because that's when it came out. And there was a big wave of city sets which came out 1st of June, at least in Europe. We're still waiting for them in North America because they're all coming out on 1st of August. But this was one of the few sets in City which did come out 1st of June everywhere, and I think that this is a real throwback to sets like the Kayak Adventure, which I've got just here. Different minifig I've got sat in the kayak or canoe, but you know, classic one from 2019. That was just a $10 set. I think this does have more to it than that one. You can see there's a fair bit going on, but of course that canoe, that kayak's worth a fair bit. But yeah, you're talking about double the price, $20, 260 pieces, definitely more going on than with the Kayak Adventure there. And if we look at the back of this, we are getting a couple of bikes, not just the one, and we're getting a couple of minifigs, and it looks like we can either hang those bikes up on the back of the van or truck and also potentially put them inside just there. Yeah, I think that this looks a pretty good one. Like I say, definite throwback to classic sets like that Kayak Adventure, and I think this is going to be a good one to incorporate into a lot of different builds. But anyway, let's get it open, see what we're working with. I am really looking forward to this one. I think the only thing which could put me off is if there's too many stickers. I think it is all going to be stickers rather than prints, but I believe that both of these bikes are recolors, so these are the heavy mountain bike frames, and I think we've got them in teal and lime green there, so first time for those. And I believe that there is another recolor that we haven't had before, which are the kind of bars on the front of the truck there in light bluish grey. Yeah, looks like a good one. Anyway, I'm going to get it open. We've ended up with 3 bags then. I thought it might only be a couple of bags, but 3 bags. Got some nice chunky tyres in the last one for the main vehicle. In terms of the booklet, looks pretty good. We're getting up to about 88 pages total there, and in terms of the sticker sheet, 5 stickers. They're all pretty standard stuff, look fairly good. I don't think there's going to be any issues with applying them. Doesn't look like they go over any particularly curved pieces, but I think maybe the bottom one on a slight curve, but nothing too bad. I think this should be a nice simple build and we'll get something really nice in the end.
And here's our completed set. I'm sure that straight away you can tell that this is a very nice one. But as I go through the review, you'll see that there are loads of accessories included in this van, as well as the van being very nice. That's on top of the very obvious accessories of those chunky mountain bikes. This is overall a really good LEGO City play set and vehicle set. I could not be more impressed, really. Overall, with the minifigs, of course, there's nothing too special going on here, but I do think that they're very appropriate. I think they've got some good hairstyles. We do get an alternate face with the male minifig, which suggests that he may have been hurt, that he's come off his bike. I do really like his lime green hands, though, suggesting that he's wearing some mountain biking gloves. And I think that his torso's really good. Overall, though, the thing that's really impressive here is just the amount of accessories that the minifigs have to interact with. It's of course fantastic to get these bikes in different colours than we've ever had them before. Overall, yeah, really good minifigs and accessories that go along with them.
I did think this was going to be a good set, but it has exceeded my expectations during the build process. So the build process fairly straightforward, but just the amount of functions that are on this set are absolutely fantastic. So we've got a moving side door just here, and that just swings out really nicely, and you can see we've got all of the accessories in the rear there. You can also take the roof off and also open these back doors, which currently have the bikes pinned to them, but they're easy enough to remove. Doing this all with one hand. Obviously these big chunky mountain bikes, and we just fold down the rack just here. It actually works like a stabilizer, and then can open up these rear doors to put in place a box that we've got here. And this box actually contains a bike pump. That's actually a kickstand that's just rolled out with it just here, which is a really nice thing. So you can just put the bike in place there whilst you replace the tyre or something. But yeah, our box at the back here, that actually has a couple of things in. So just open it up, and we have got a bicycle pump with the blue, and also a first aid kit, which I think is a really nice touch. And actually the male minifig has a face, an alternate face, which suggests that maybe he has come off his bike and they're needing to apply some first aid. On top of that, there's also another couple of accessories in the rear there. So I've got both the bike helmets, I've got a spare tyre, and also a water bottle as well. Yeah, it's just overall, there's so much to be able to do with this set from a play perspective, but also, as you can see here, it just looks really good as well. I'm not sure we've ever had this type of colour scheme with the kind of tan colour and then the black as well. Yeah, it's just very, very nice. Obviously stickers for all of these bits, no prints. It would have been really nice to get a couple of prints. And yeah, the other side kind of mirrors that side, but of course we've only got the sliding door on the one side. I think that is fairly noticeable. You can see that it is a door, but I don't think that's a problem. We get the small doors at the front. I don't think it's crucial, but a nice little extra. And also our engine can open up as well. I'll open that up and show you. Not too much to see though. And you can see here where I've just folded open the engine compartment. And of course one of our minifigs does have a wrench as an accessory, so we can pretend that they're fixing the engine. It is easier to access that once you take away the windscreen compartment. Otherwise it can be a little tricky just to access that. But yeah, there's just a lot of play features with this, and I think it looks pretty good as well. Obviously a lot better when we have the windscreen attached to the van. I really can't emphasise enough just how much value you're getting in this set. I mean, that kickstand works just fantastically, and you can see, you know, we're getting an extra tyre and stuff. Just the play opportunities are really there. I mean, it shows up some other Lego sets as not great value, to be honest, but I think that this one, full price or not, I think it's definitely a very good value set. Overall, yeah, I'd heartily recommend. Could look great in display if you're going to be showing off some kind of camping, outdoor activities, stuff like that, or just driving through the city if you want to put it all back together. But also the amount of play opportunities for kids. Yeah, I think there's so many ways to play and display with this. I think it's really, really good set. I think I'm confident in saying, yeah, it's pretty much a modern classic. I'd heartily recommend it. $20 US, 18 British pounds. I think that this is a very, very good one. Hopefully you've enjoyed the review. If you have, then please do leave a like. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. And with that, I'll leave you and say, as always, be good.